Little baby. Little baby. What's going on? Okay. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm going to take this. You're not even paying attention. Come here, come here. Come here. Hi. See what you find used to play with. We're not allowed to play with this, little baby. We're not allowed to play with this, okay? But I love the fact that you're comfortable playing with it. So this being on the floor, it is my fault that you're playing with it because he doesn't know any better. He doesn't know any better, right? He doesn't know any better. So I'm gonna take this away so you can't play with it anymore. Play with this taco. Yeah, you can play with that. Yes. Yes. Who is that? 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 That's a good baby.